Hey guys, this is Nick, aka A11021085, aka PC Hacker 11, and in this video is going to be a pretty quick Adobe Fireworks tutorial. I'm going to show you how to change the color of any wallpaper inside of Adobe Fireworks CS4. This will work with Adobe Fireworks CS4 or CS3. So open up Fireworks and then find the picture that you want to change the color of. I'm going to just change the picture of this wallpaper right here. And it's a red wallpaper, so let's say I want to change it to some other color. Just select the region inside the wallpaper, then go down here where it says filter and click on that plus button and go to adjust color and then click on the button that says hue/saturation. You click on that and it'll bring up this window. So note, keep saturation and lightness where they are. If you want to change the color, just drag the one that says hue. If you drag it over here, as you notice, the back of the wallpaper is purple. If we drag it over here, it's blue. If we drag it over here, it's green. Drag it over here, it's more green. And drag it all the way over here, it's blue again. So let's say that I want to make it purple. I just click it. I just make sure that this is the color I want. I'd click OK, and then the background's purple. Now, in order to change the background of this little circle, just click inside the circle and do the same thing. Adjust color, hue, saturation, keep it a purple, and then the wallpaper is purple. It's a different color. It's purple, not red. I can just go up to File, save it if I want to, and then I'm done. I changed the color of that wallpaper from red to purple. So anyway, that's just been a quick tutorial from me, A11021085 or PC Hacker 11. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, this is how to change your wallpaper. Just select the area and go down to filters. So thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll see ya.